else struggle with fitted sheets? Well, this company has created these easy flip bed sheet holders that just clip to the end of your fitted bed sheets. The high quality elastic band makes it easily adjustable to any type and any size bed sheet. These small sheets are used to tighten and remove wrinkles from your bed sheet. And the best thing about it, it doesn't actually rip through. You can see that these clips are easy to use and easy to attach at the ends of your bed sheets. And the elastic makes it firm to hold it all together to give you that very clean, fitted look. And here's the thing, you don't even have to flip your mattress to use them. Just clip at the 3 points at the end and tuck it underneath your bed. This saves me so much time and so much energy, and I love how it comes out. Hope you guys like it as much as I do.